Welcome to Brothers Custom Builds. In the last episode, we saw the body being trailered off to get a nice coat of black paint. And as you can see in the beginning of this video, it is coated and it is back, and we are putting this thing back together. What we want to do in this video is catch you up on all the work it took to get the frame off the powder coat. So we got a lot of finish welding that needs to happen. And then also we want to catch you up on getting both the frame and the body back and marrying the two together for the last time. It's so exciting. We're getting so close to having this thing done. Thanks again for checking this video out. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment. Let's get to work.